Welcome to this yoga session for a relaxing night sleep. Namaste. Start in a sitting pose. We're gonna do Nadi Sodhana Pranayama, which consists in alternate nostrils, opening one and closing the other. At the same time, you're inhaling and exhaling. Use your thumb to close right nostril and your ring finger to close the left nostril. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply, inhale again, and start exhaling by your left nostril. Inhale right, exhale right, inhale left, exhale left, inhale right, exhale right, inhale left, exhale left, inhale right, exhale right, inhale left, exhale left, inhale right, and exhale, release. Inhale and exhale by your nose, deeply, naturally. Move your shoulders, move your back. Take out the cushion. And start in Balasana. Forehead on the floor. Try to root your hips on the floor. Stay relaxed. And slowly start in cat pose and change to cow. Move backwards and forwards. At the same time, you are flexing and extending your column. Place your tiptoes on the floor. You can sit over your cushion. Use the right hand to place it on the left part of your face and extend neck to the right side. Table in, shoulders back, lengthen your spine. Take the left corner of your head and look at the arm, the right arm, and release. Inhale, look up, raise your arms, exhale, hands to your chest. If you had your toes on the floor, switch to the back of your foot. And now, left hand, take the right part of your face and lean to the left side. Opening your upper back, release any tension. Activate your abdomen in and up and chin to your chest. Take the right corner of your head and look at the arm. Exhale deeply and release. chin to your chest, and inhaling, raise your arms. Exhaling, hands to your heart. Put the cushion out of your mat. Sit on your heels. Grab your heels with your hands, forehead on the floor, and raise your hips, putting the crown part of your head on the floor. Go down and go up. And stay in the pose. Release slowly. Place your hands beside your head. Relax shoulders and do the same. Go up and down, massaging the upper part of your head. Always shoulders, back and down. Extend your arms, look in front. Open your chest, extend your sides, and go walking. Hips aligned with your knees. If chin on the floor is very intense, put your forehead on the floor. Fingertips on the ground, and stay. Release slowly and go to Balasana. Exhale and go to Quadrupedia and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Move your hips, extend and bend your knees. And now, place your forearms, flex your knees, place your crown on the floor, and release in Balasana. Now your arms are through your body, hands up. Place one side of your face on the floor and change. Place the other side of your face on the floor, shoulders very relaxed, body very relaxed. Moving cat and cow pose. Neutralize posture, and then right arm extended on the floor. Place your left hand in front of your face. Twist your body. Shoulders back and down. Lengthen your spine. And release. And do it in the opposite side. Extend your left arm on the floor. Feel the twist of your trunk. Right hand pressing the floor. Inhale deeply, exhale, release. Going into cat and cow movement. And exhaling, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg up. And big step. Place your left knee and go to crescent moon. Table in. Extend column. And slowly bend your knee on the floor. Use your cushion if you want to make balance in both sides, and drop your body to the floor. Big inhale and exhale, release. Extend the column, look at the left leg, bend the knee and take the foot. Look in front, and as you exhale in, to bend a little bit more your knee. Remember table in to help your lumbar part, making an harmonious asana. And release. Place your hands on the floor and impulse your body to Adho Mukha. Move your hips, bend your knees, dance a little bit in the pose. And now we're going to the left side. Big step in front. Place your right knee on the floor. Raise your body in crescent moon. Table in. Remember, knee and ankle are aligned. Open your chest, look up, or look in front. And then we're gonna bend the knee on the floor, extending right leg. You can use your cushion on the left hip and drop your body to the floor. There is no effort in this asana. Just release the body on the floor. Breathe. And exhale in. Go back. Take off the cushion, look at the right leg and bend your knee. Take the feet. Place your left hand on the floor, supporting your asana. And exhaling, bend a little bit more. Inhale and release. Exhaling. Go bending your knee. Hold if you can. You can also try to be farther, extending your left arm. Place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, move a little bit your legs. Inhale and exhale deeply. And bend your knees to jump to your hands. Now sit using your hands to help you. Hug your legs. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Relax. Sitting. Placing your face on your knees. Relaxing the whole body. Inhale, look in front. And now you're gonna roll your back vertebra by vertebra on the floor. Inhaling, exhaling, impulse your body. Use your activating abdomen. Place your cushion next to you. Go to Viparita Karani, so place the cushion under your hips. And extend your legs as much as you can. Table in. Chin to your chest. Hands facing up. And stay in this pose. In this semi-inverted pose, your hips are above your heart, stimulating the oxygenation of the blood and releasing tension from the nervous system. Slowly bend your knees, take out the cushion, and place vertebra by vertebra on the floor. Extend your legs and go to Savasana. Inhale and exhale very deeply by your nose. Stay in this pose. It is very important to relax the body and mind into a restorative state in order to get restful sleep. So prepare your body and your mind to the night. Feel your body and your mind release. No tension. Just breathe and relax. Namaste.